We're here at Rocky Run Middle School hosting a wonderful author event. The author John Jackson Miller, who's an author of many Star Wars books. And this is an event for kids age 6 through adult. And it's a part of our summer reading program. So our summer reading program features different performances and other kinds of programs all summer long. And this is sort of our spotlight, kind of our centerpiece program for the summer, because it's big and it's fun and exciting.
Well, I started reading comic books and novels about the same time I started writing my own. It was something where it was always intrinsically tied for me. I was always wanting to participate in the process and do things on my own. And you know, the wonderful thing was, you know, Star Wars came along when I was 9 years old. There's Star Wars material that's out there for every age group.
My favorite character is probably Yoda, because he can like jump everywhere and he's Yoda.
It is very important to keep kids reading all summer long. Studies have shown that kids actually can lose reading skills over the summer if they don't read, so they go back to school and they're kind of behind where they should be. So we at the library and the folks at the schools partner with the summer reading program to encourage kids to read. And they can read whatever they like to read. It's not about, you know, reading some challenging classic or some 500-page book. It can be a comic book, it can be a graphic novel, it can be whatever they enjoy, because we want reading to be fun as well as helpful to them in school. You can sign up through September 5th for the summer reading program, and best place to go is to our website, the library's website, fairfaxcounty.gov/library. There are going to be events at our branches through about the middle of August typically, so we will have other performers for the family. We'll have music and dance. There'll be some events for teens as well. So there are still events happening during the rest of the summer for kids.